my own jutsu. Lightning Blade!
Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing Naruto Vibration Stars Kakashi Hatake by Banpresto. '20-year anniversary, Naruto. First, we're going to start with the base. And then here's the stand. And now we're going to go with the Kakashi lower body. And here we have Kakashi, upper body. So this is a nice looking Kakashi. He has the Sharingan, and this figure has the Sharingan. I believe this is not the Mangekyo Sharingan. It has the headband of the Hidden Leaf, and also it has him holding his Chidori or a Lightning Blade. I'm not really sure which one this is. I'm gonna say it's Lightning Blade. I don't think this is a Chidori. It looks kind of like a Chidori. So it's nice overall, this figure. I do like Kakashi figures. I also have the Susanoo Kakashi and Kakashi Grandista Shinobi Relations. This is also a different one. This is from Vibration Stars. This one's Kakashi doing his Chidori or Lightning Blade, however you want to call it. I do know that Lightning Blade is stronger than Chidori, but I don't know. It looks more like a Chidori than a Lightning Blade. I do also want to say the one thing I don't like about this is it's not the same as the Sasuke Chidori. Sasuke is more like I don't know how to explain it, but the material is more like transparent and more like, it just looks way better than this one, this plastic that they add on to Kakashi. I believe they should have done the same thing that Naruto and Sasuke has, the same material of their moves. But overall, this figure is awesome, and you should get it if you haven't. So, like I was saying before, how this Chidori is different than Sasuke's Chidori. I believe they should have done it like this. Same thing as the Sasuke and also Naruto. But looking at this closer, I do believe this what Kakashi is holding on his hand is not a Chidori. I believe it is a Lightning Blade, because as you can see, this Chidori is smaller and this one's way bigger. It's like a ball. So I'm gonna say that Kakashi is doing his Lightning Blade. But yeah, and here we have all three of them together from Vibration Stars. We have the Naruto, Kakashi, and Sasuke. And I'm just gonna show you guys real quick of them, either being together, facing each other. I am gonna make a separate video of them facing each other with a music song tune for that. So I just have them here just for comparison, so you guys can see having them together. You can say here's the Team 7 too, with them doing their move. It would be nice if Banpresto does one for Sakura, so you can have her around here too. There is 2 of them releasing. We have Gara Vibration Stars coming out soon. Either it's in February or March. And then we also have Itachi Uchiha, which he's coming, I believe, May or June of this year. Both of them are from this year. So that'll be nice. I will be unboxing those 2. And yeah, there's also a Naruto Sage Mode and a Sasuke version 2. But yeah. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys did like this video, and if you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and also share with your friends that likes Naruto figures or statues of them. I have videos of Naruto's and a playlist. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. See you until next time.